If you're learning English and you want to improve your pronunciation and you want to master the TH sound so that you say it like a native speaker every time, then this video is for you. I have 6 tongue twisters. Practice these tongue twisters every day for the next 2 weeks and you will notice improvement. If you keep going for 4 to 6 weeks, then you'll be able to apply it to normal everyday conversation, and that'll be amazing. So save this video, practice every day. Alright, here we go. First I'll say 1 or 2 words, maybe 3, and we will work through the entire tongue twister like that. And then I'll say the whole thing and you can pause it and you can try to say the tongue twister by yourself. Okay, here we go. Thin sticks. Thick bricks. Thin sticks, thick bricks. Father, mother, sister, brother, hand in hand with one another. Father, mother, sister, brother, hand in hand with one another. Thrust, 3,000. Thistles, through the thick of his thumb. Thrust 3,000 thistles through the thick of his thumb. Thrust 3,000 thistles through the thick of his thumb. There's a thistle in the thicket that thrice through Theo's thumb. There's a thistle in the thicket that thrice through Theo's thumb. There's a thistle in the thicket that thrice through Theo's thumb. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought I thought. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought I thought. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Three thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Now if 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts, how many thoughts did each thief think? That's it.